Yay! Hello there, beautiful people. So guys, it's already 4 o'clock actually, and it's Friday today, and it's raining so bad, so hard. So anyway, I'm going to prepare for snack for the kiddos, and Doctor requested me to make a palitaw. So since nakabili ako ng glutinous flour no Thursday, so today we are going to make a palitaw. So as you can see around. Hi Baymax. So let's go to the kitchen and try to make palitaw. So ayun guys, we're here again kung saan ako lagi kusina kitchen. So this time gagawa ko ng merienda for the kiddos, and it's palitaw. So ang complete ingredients ng palitaw are glutinous flour, sesame seed, niyog, at saka brown sugar, and you need water also to mix it. But then this time kasi wala tayong niyog, wala tayong sesame seed, but we have brown sugar only and the glutinous flour. Of course, we can't make palitaw kung wala tayong glutinous flour. That's the most important ingredient. So, bahala na kung wala kang niyog, bahala na kung wala kang sesame seed, pero dapat meron kang dalawang ingredients. Tatlo. Water, flour, glutinous flour, and sugar. Para naman lumasa-lasa ng konti, di ba? So, anyway, let's go and start making it. So, right here, nagpapakulo na. Oh my God, my tao. So, finally, we have this mixture. See, it looks like a dough. So, we are going to make this into a flat circle, and then hintayin natin kumulo yung tubig, tsaka pag lumitaw, ibig sabihin, luto na. Kasi sabi nga nila, palitaw. So, it means, pag lumitaw, pwede mo nang kainin. We're going to make a circle, and then flatten it. Oh, there you are. So, you get a perfect flat circle. Okay, failed. But this is how just you're gonna do it. Okay, you have a circle, and you have a circle, and then just flatten like that. Okay, so that. And then, so ganyan siya guys. Tapos lagay mo lang yan dyan. And then, pag lumitaw yan, ibig sabihin, good to go na. There. Tell me what you say. Perfect paradise. I just saw you Ay, ang daming problema sa mundo. So, you have to, go with the flow and make palitaw. So, as you can see, guys, lumitaw na yung iba. So, after less than minute, it's okay na. There you are. That's perfect. We don't have to make it perfect because we only eat it in the house. It's not an order. So, as much as possible, you don't have to stress yourself to make a perfect circle. So, there you are. And last one. And so, this is our palitaw. Oh, my water. Oh, diba? So, super bilis lang siyang gawin dahil ang kailangan mo lang naman ay ilang ingredients, tapos i-mix mo lang siya na tamang-tama na kaya mong gumawa ng circle, and then you have just to flatten it and put in a boiling water, and ayun, tapos na. Pag lumitaw, nakakain ka na. So, this is it. Palitaw. There is a ponytail in the kitchen. kitchen. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. So sana meron kang idea kung anong pinakamabilis na pang-snack mo sa hapon, lalong-lalo na kung meron kang kids dyan na laging nangihingi ng merienda, magastos sa labas kung lagi kang bumibili sa labas. Ngayon, kung meron ka namang flour or glutinous flour, so you can make easily with palitaw. Yeah, thank you so much and bye!